Hello, my little explorers, and welcome to today's lesson of science. We are doing landscape shapes. It's a very fun lesson, so let's go ahead and start. By the end of today, I can identify different shapes of landscapes. I can draw landscapes using math shapes. So we're going to draw landscapes. You can see a landscape right here. And if you can see, we can use different math shapes like circle. What other shapes can you remember in math? Yes, so let's go ahead and continue with the lesson. Now in this video, you will see a drawing, how to draw a landscape using shapes. You can draw the same picture as in the video, or you can draw your own landscape, but always using shapes. Now let's see. Some landscapes may remind you of shapes. Look at the photo below. What shapes do you see in the land? I'm gonna give you a few seconds for you to check this picture, to see it, and to see what shapes can you see in the landscape. Alright, now I'm gonna tell you, what do I see? I see right here a shape of a rectangle. So the slopes of the mountains can give you the shape of rectangles. Triangles. So many triangles. Now this group of trees right here, if I collect them all together, it gives me kind of a rectangle. So you can see, if you use your imagination, you can see different shapes in a landscape. I can see rectangles and triangles. The groups of trees are taking the shape of a rectangle. The slope of the mountain is like a triangle. Is that what you saw? Great. The elements of any landscape look like math shapes. If you look closer at this landscape, you have triangles. The mountain tops look like triangles. And in this one also, and you have some trees that could take the shape of a circle. And the sun. These two pictures remind me of the story we are reading in English, doesn't it? The nighttime and the daytime. Now we have two tasks in the next slides. You have to choose only one of them. You can do both only if you want to. For task number 1, you need to read the sentences below and choose yes or no. Number 1 says, we can use a triangle to draw a pyramid. Is it yes or is it no? Choose one. Number 2, the sun doesn't look like a circle. Number 3, a group of trees next to each other can take the shape of a rectangle. And task number 2, you have to look carefully at this landscape and you write some of the shapes used to draw it. So look carefully and write at least 5 shapes that you can see in this drawing. And for closure, go to this link and play this game. Thank you so much, and picture all your tasks, answer them, and post them in Class Dojo.